Hello and welcome to this video on Google Spaces. My name is Professor Corey Leong. I teach at Valencia College. And this video is going to cover one of Google's products within the Google Workspace. It's actually called Google Spaces. Google Spaces is a communication tool and it allows users to create topics and threaded discussions and also share links, assign tasks, share files, all within this application. Now, this application I'm going to show you is in the browser, but you can also use Google Spaces within Google Chat or Gmail apps that are downloadable from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So you can either use this on a computer or on a smartphone. So why am I using, or why did I choose Google Spaces instead of using Discord or Teams or Slack? Well, Google likes to integrate all of its products together, and one of the benefits of using Google products is that it integrates nicely with the Canvas LMS, Learning Management System. So knowing that, I chose Google Spaces so that possible programming could be involved later down the road to automate communication between Canvas and Google Chat and Google Spaces. Besides that, Google Space, of course, is uh, asynchronous and synchronous and allows threaded discussions. But the really nice feature that I'll be providing in the future is that Google Chat apps and chat bots are possible. These two things are little programming apps that can run within Google Spaces and Google Chats to make it more of a rich learning experience while using these products. I'll do feature videos on Google Chat apps and Google Chat bots later down the road. But for now, I want to just take a look at, give you a short tour of the Google Spaces tool. And if you watched the last video, I left off with looking at Google Chat. So here, I'm just going to close Google Chat and show Google Spaces. And I've already created one space, and this is for the Management Information System course, CIS 3304C, section 17622. And as of right now, I'm the only member. But as students sign up for Google Chat, I will then add them to this Google Space, so then we can add to this community. But besides that, adding people, we can look at the details. Like I said, the MIS course is just a beta space testing this semester. I expect to go in production in the spring, Google Spaces and Google Chat for my courses. And then simple guidelines, being kind and respectful for others, and of course enjoying the collaboration with colleagues. And if you have any difficulties or any issues, you can always direct message me in Google Chat or send me an email message in Canvas. Other features, I can mark the messages unread or the actual spaces unread. I can pin the space up higher than other spaces. We can set notifications, turn history off, which right now the history is on. A user can leave the space. I can actually block or report a user, and then finally I could also delete a space if necessary after it's being used. So those are some of the features, and in the middle pane here, I've already created threads for the remaining modules, module 7 through 14. And if I go move my mouse right, I can see there these icons. One is for emojis. We can always post an emoji here. but there's also the reply or the and it creates a right pane for creating a discussion. And so any user who is a member of this space can then join in the discussion and just simply type in messages such as this, right? And so this will create a long listing threaded discussion of text if necessary, or we can post, share Google Drive files, create calendar invites, add emojis, add GIFs from Giphy, upload any files, and then lastly, we can create any videos with Google Meet. So those are the three sections of Google Spaces. As more users are this will become more of a lively community. So I just want to give you an overview on this. So in summary, I will be using Google Spaces next semester and going forward. This is a beta test this semester for testing out what works, what doesn't work within Google Spaces and possibly Google Chat. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something, and I thank you for your time and attention. Bye bye.